Out in my yard lurks a creature so muddy, so filthy, that I will not let him in. Anyone wonder why? It's the big, beastie mud puppy. The mud puppy. 100 pounds of playful, dirty, wet, gritty Great Dane. And he wants in. Yeah, ain't gonna happen today. You gonna try and open the door? I locked it. You can't open it. The window was washed not 2 hours ago. The floors were mopped, and the carpet was vacuumed. I steam cleaned the carpet yesterday. You're not coming in till Daddy gets home and gives you a bath. Go play.